Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be breaking down this wall garland that I did. I did this a few days ago. I was trying to keep it up for a week, but I was really in the mood to talk to you guys. So I'm like, let's just do it now. So I'm going to break this down and I'm going to reshape it as a standing garland. And if you did not check out my last video of me creating this, please go to the description box and watch the video first and then come back and watch this video. But I want to break it down and I want to try not to inflate any more balloons. I just want to use the balloons that I already inflated. So that's the goal, and I'm just going to bring you guys along the process and what steps I'm going to take and try to do some strategic thinking of how to shape this to get a nice pretty garland. So that's what we're going to do today. Please stay tuned, watch the full video, let's see the outcome, and I'm going to show you guys up close of the wall hooks that I put on from the last that I used for this garland. I want to show you guys how it looks when I take it down. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take off these gold mini clusters. I attached these to the garland by using rubber bands, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys in the last video, but I'm going to try to get it up close on how I attach it with the rubber bands when I add these back on. I'm actually not going to I don't think I'm going to keep them like this. I'll probably end up cutting them off to the basic 4 quads and then twisting them like that to add it on to the standing garland. Alright, we have all those off. The next thing I'm going to do is just cut this down from the wall. Let me show you guys. You guys can see that. See, so you guys see right here. Just going to cut that off. So I think I'm going to keep the wall hook for the other one, but I do want to take this one off and I want to see how it came out. Perfect. I love it. All right guys, so the next thing I want to do is I just want to cut these clusters apart. I'm going to keep them in form, but I'm just going to go through, and you see I have all of this is tied together by necks of the balloons. So I'm just going to go in and cut the necks to take them down, unless pray I don't pop anything. But I'm just going to start cutting the necks off. Alright guys, so this is the floor lamp we'll be using. Now, my thought process on this is I have 3 24-inch balloons that I inflated. So I definitely want to make sure, and I have 2 of them that's the Sangria color. So I don't want them right next to each other as far as block coloring wise. I'm probably put one at the bottom and then one at the top, and then probably do the this rosewood color in the middle. So right now this look like my thickest cluster, and I have a I believe this is a 17-inch balloon. So this looks like my thickest one. So I may use this at the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one at the bottom. And let's see. I'm gonna use this floor lamp and I'm gonna try to bring it up like this way. The good thing is I can move it around and tie it off. So we're gonna add this one first. I'm gonna just twist these balloons around to make sure it's a nice tight cluster in the middle. And the balloons are a little sticky because I put some high shine on it, so it's a little tacky right now, but we're gonna get through it. So next I'm going to, I think I want to use this pink one. this Rosewood one. And I don't want to use the one, so I have 3 clusters of these all together. And I don't want to use the one with the 24-inch yet, so, and this one look a little bigger than this one, just because we had some small ones right here. Actually, this one looks bigger. All right, so this one looks a little bigger, so I'm going to use this at the bottom. And I'm just twisting it around the pole so it has so it's gripped onto it. Oh, and I'm gonna get some gaff tape to put on top of this because it's sharp and I don't want it to pop the balloon. So this is just a piece of gaff tape. I'm just gonna put it up here. Just to block it. All right, so the next color I'm going to use is, I want to use the navy. So we have this one, we have 3 different ones. Oh, this one's still attached. Let me cut this. Right here, like that. All right, we got this one, and then this one. This one kind of looks like the fullest to me, so I'm gonna choose this one. And I think I'm gonna get a 260 because I'm really not in the mood to tie neck to neck, just because I got a cut on my finger and I just don't feel like doing it. So I'm gonna get a 260. Here we go. I have a black 260. I'm gonna tie it in this one first. I'm gonna try to tie it around the middle of the cluster. All right, we have that. So this is kind of on the pole, but not really. So I'm going to stretch it out as much as I can. And I'm going to wrap it around this balloon. And then wrap it around another balloon. And have it like that. And just do one more. Figure 8 method. And then we have that. And that's nice and tight. And then I'm going to do the olive. Well, eucalyptus, but it look olive to me, so we're going to do this color. And I'm just trying to figure out which one is kind of the biggest. So I'm going to use this color. I'm going to pull this around. Woo. I lost my 260. All right, I'm not fighting with it. So I guess I'm gonna just use the next right now, even though I don't feel like it. See, this is why I don't put lotion on, even though my hands be so ashy. But when I do put lotion on, it just makes everything fall off. This is why I don't put lotion. All right, I'm gonna just get another 260. This is what happens in real life when you don't put things on time lapse. All right, so next I'm going to do is this color, the Rosewood double stuff, because I want to use this 24-inch balloon, like right here. Yeah. So I want to do that. let's attach these two. And let's see what we looking. What it's looking like. The next was pretty stretchy here, even though my hand is still sliding, but I'm gonna just try to get through it. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. I kind of wanted to switch the rows with the, like, swap it kind of, just because they were so far apart. I would like to just get rid of this color altogether, but I'm gonna try to stick with the colors I had and not cheat. So we're gonna keep that. And let's use this color on top. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Let me show you guys. So now we are going to shake some of it. All right, we're going to try thickening this up a little bit. Yeah, I don't care about some of these holes right now because we can clean them up with the 5 inches, or yeah, the 5 inches gold that we have. We're going to clean it up with that. All right. So I'm going to block this off. So I'm going to go and find another neck in here somewhere. And if you can, try to tie both ways. Like I tied this to the navy, and then I'm going to tie this to this cluster as well. So now we are going to block something off right here. I'm trying to move this over here just so it can block the bottom of the 24 inch so it doesn't look like it's just on the floor. Alright, so I'm going to untwist this off camera and I'll be right back. And before I leave, let me show you guys what I'm going to do with these 5 inches. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to keep them just like this. Probably make little clusters like this. So we'll have a lot of them. So I think I'm gonna just do that. Take them all off and make little clusters like that. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I think I want to, before I add on the olive, I kind of want to, because this is giving a little empty here for me. I think I want to move this 24 inch to right here. So one on the inside, one on the outside, or outside, inside, and then flip this around to have this one showing up there. So let's try to do that. And I just popped it off. You can rip it off pretty easy. I'm gonna use a rubber band to attach this. So I'm gonna take one, wrap it around the balloon, and when you wrap it around the balloon, you want to twist it. So twist it, and then let's start adding our 5 inches. I'm gonna go first and just grab the ones that already have the rubber band on it. This one here, this one has 2, so I just twist it together. I think I'm gonna leave some with 2 of them on there and some with just 1. Twist it around. Put this right here. This reminds me of the little on Willy Wonka when they had the little bubble gum. That was it. Alright. It's giving very mermaid tail. I mean, pretty mermaid though. All right, we have more of these 5 inches that I just want to use. Like, why not? Let's just use them. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and as you see I end up making some changes, of course, because I just can't stop touching it. But let's go over what I changed. So I end up moving that 24-inch rosewood balloon back to the top, and then I flipped that sangria and that 17-inch balloon. I flipped those two, so the 24-inch was at the bottom and then the 16-inch was at the top. And then the eucalyptus that was next to the navy, that was kind of thickening up the garland, I moved both of them down. So I moved one of them behind the one that's next to the sangria. There's one against the wall, and then I also moved the other navy one in front to make the bottom a little bit bigger so it can look like it's coming down off the wall onto the floor. And I believe that was the only, I guess there was like 3 or 4 changes. I guess those are the changes I made. I do like this shape much better. Let me know if you guys like the shape. And if I could, I would have inflated a 24-inch navy balloon to put right there between the rosewood and the sangria. But remember, guys, I didn't want to inflate any more balloons. I want to use exactly what I had already. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. I've been consistent for the last couple months now, so I'm trying my best. But please continue to watch my videos. Thank you guys. Bye.